Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to enter trades on MetaTrader 5. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open MetaTrader 5 application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the quotes interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options like quotes, charts, trade, history, messages. In the quotes interface, you'll be able to find various assets over here. So what you have to do is simply tap on the asset that you wish to trade. Now you'll be able to find the options like new order, chart, properties, depth of market, market statistics, simple view mode. If you tap on the option chart, you'll be able to view the chart like this. So you can simply analyze the chart carefully and decide if you want to trade this asset or not. Likewise, you'll also be able to access the properties, depth of market, market statistics and simple view mode. Simply tap on the options of your choice in order to analyze this asset properly. Now, if you decide to enter the trade, what you have to do is tap on the option new order that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to buy or sell. So what you have to do is simply select the quantity, increase or decrease the quantity like this. Right now instant execution is selected. If you tap on it, you'll be able to find the options like buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, etc. Tap on the option of your choice. Likewise, you can also set the stop loss and take profit point. Simply tap on the field of SL. Now from here you'll be able to select the stop loss point. Likewise, tap on the field of TP. Now from here you'll be able to select the take profit point. Now you'll be able to see the chart over here. Likewise, you can also set the deviation. Simply set the deviation like this. Now after setting all these, you can simply tap on the buy option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here your order has been placed. Now in the trade interface, you'll be able to see the order that you placed. Now this particular asset will be deposited on your account. Likewise, if you want to sell, what you have to do is go to the quotes interface. Simply tap on the asset that you want to sell. Tap on the option new order. Now what you have to do is select the quantity that you want to sell. Now simply tap on the sell option that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here it has been sold. Now in the trade interface you'll be able to see the asset that you've sold. So like this you'll be able to buy and sell. So that is how you enter trades on MetaTrader 5. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.